Imagine having an injury, but not needing to go under the knife or rely on addictive pain medication, yet you can be healed by shockwaves. That's the idea behind something called SoftWave Therapy.
These are happy tears. Holy cow.
When I got off the table, I didn't feel the pain for the first time, I guess maybe in 12 years.
This is really a nice little breakthrough for me. It really, truly is.
It just brought back life to me that I have been without for so many years.
How was your experience using this device?
My experience has been life-changing. This has been a really amazing thing.
So it's nicknamed the stem cell machine. The idea is that it uses shockwaves to recruit the body's own stem cells to help heal injuries.
It's very good.
How come? Tell me what's different about your hand.
So I can move it, opening it all the way like.
How long has it been since you've been able to do that?
20 years.
20 years? Yeah. I think it's nice. I think it works better on the joint.
Ooh, what's up? All right, don't over push it there. Man needs a knee replacement.
Well, I don't. There's no tightness in my back.
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
That's crazy, because I guess I don't realize how much pain I'm in when I walk.
But it is remarkable, and even the doctors that are looking at it are like, this is unbelievable progress.